How to make a woman happy? It's very simple actually. Number one, it's the important thing that I see the biggest mistake that most of you men are making. Commit to her if you're sleeping with her. If you're having sex with your woman, you gotta get engaged and you gotta marry her. Yes, my friends, this is how you're violating all women right now, because in the modern days the sex is so available and you think it's okay to sleep around, but it's not. You owe her a commitment. Number two, if you want your woman to be happy, you gotta protect and provide for her financially. How do you protect her? You protect her to making her feel safe, meaning you don't raise your voice. You're not mean to her. You're not angry with her. And when she's emotional, you listen to her and you comfort her. And how you protect her financially is that you don't allow her to work. Yes, my friends, the financial protection is actually on you, dear man. And how you do that is you work full time and you take care of the house bills, mortgage or apartment, car insurance, cars, and etc. And it's her duty to accept your income. This woman, if you're providing and protecting her financially and emotionally, this woman is gonna be happy. And then just watch how much appreciation, happiness and love she's gonna give you back. If your woman really wants to go to work and work maybe part-time, not because she needs to help you financially, but because she really wants to, she wants to contribute to society, let her. It's okay, because just being at home, a stay-home mom or stay-home wife could be really boring. Yes, my friends, because you guys, when you come home, you rest. But for a woman, when she's at home, she needs to cook, clean, organize. And so for women, us, being at home is a work. But if you're relying on her financially, this is never gonna be a happy woman. She will always be overwhelmed, she will always be stressed. And guess who she gonna dump subconsciously this stress on? Back on you, back on the kids. And what's going to suffer? Your relationship with her, and most importantly, you're complaining, we're having a sexless relationship. The reason why most marriages and relationships are sexless right now is because a woman does a man's job, responsibility and duties, and she also does a woman's responsibility and duty. And in this dynamic, a woman will never be at ease, happy and relaxed. And then at 9 or 10 o'clock, of course, she's gonna pass out. She's not gonna have energy, any room for sexual intimacy. A sexual woman is a woman who is taken care of, and she loves to take care of you sexually. Yes, my friends, so please think about it, because these are common sense.